Hey Bobcats, hope you're having a great day. Hope you had a great first 2 weeks of school. We just want to take a quick minute and make sure that you all know how to log on to Zoom. I know you've been doing this already in advisory, but we just want to make sure that you know the best way to log on for your Zoom meetings for your classes. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously open up the internet, and that is going to look like this. You are going to log in, and your login is going to be your S_ first name dot last name at OUSD.org. And your password is 00 and your 6-digit student ID. Once you are in, you can either go to these 9 little dots and find your Gmail, or you might have a little link there. So you're going to open up your mail, and I see that I have an invitation from Miss Dunkel for our class. So I'm going to open up this invitation. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to see a blue link that I can just click on. And I am there waiting for Miss Dunkel to start the meeting. So that's how I can get into Zoom from my email. I can also get in through my calendar. So what I'm going to do, same thing, is I'm going to go ahead and open up. I'm going to log in, and I am going to go to these 9 dots, and I'm going to click on my calendar. I am going to look today, and I see an invitation from Miss Dunkel. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click the link, and sure enough, I'm going to wait for Miss Dunkel to start our meeting. So that's the second way that I can log on to Zoom. The last is through Zoom itself. So I'm going to log on, or I'm going to get onto the internet. I'm going to go to Zoom. I'm going to click where it says join a meeting. And I have the meeting ID written down, so I'm going to type it in. 837-3611-5442. Join. It's asking me for my passcode, which I have. It is 625706. Join. And sure enough, I am waiting for Miss Dunkel. So hopefully this helped you know the 3 easiest ways to log into Zoom so you are ready for your classes. Go Bobcats, roar!